After the night-long lull, one Indian Army Jawan hailing from Maharashtra has been martyred in action, while another has been reported injured. Jammu and Kashmir Police Chief has reached the encounter site late in the night to oversee the ongoing operations. My colleague Tejshi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshi, sources say that 3 to 4 terrorists are believed to be Pakistani nationals, of course, are still trapped in the area. What are the details of the ongoing encounter?
Well, yes, absolutely. It's been more than 24 hours that the anti-terror operations are underway in Chatru's Kishtwar. And let me tell you that the search operation began at 6:30 a.m. yesterday in the morning, and the operations still continue. Number one. Number two, if we talk about the latest update, then yes, DGP Nalin Prabhat, Jammu and Kashmir Police yesterday visited the location, the spot, and monitored the ongoing situation. Number three, if we talk about 3 to 4 Pakistani Jaish terrorists are said to be trapped in that particular area, and there was also exchange of gunfire yesterday in the afternoon, in which one Indian Army soldier was killed in the action and one is also said to be injured. But if we talk about the ongoing search operations, then yes, there are massive search operations going on, not just in Kishtwar but other areas of Kishtwar as well. And if we talk about Chatru, where the operation is still underway, then the entire area has been cordoned off. Massive searches are going on, because remember that the Kishtwar belt has been a sensitive area since a long time, and in the past also we have been seeing that how several terrorists were neutralized in Kishtwar. So that's why Kishtwar becomes very much important. But as far as the search operations are concerned,
the encounter is still underway. We'll come back to you for those updates. For the moment, let's shift our attention now. Now, controversy has erupted over Rahul Gandhi's surprise visit to Delhi University. What was meant to be an informal